See all that ice in this bucket? Yeah, gonna be fun. Second time.
You come stand and look. Get where you can see yourself in mine. Good. That was pretty good.
Hey y'all. Gotta get the other camera on. We're doing it with 2 cameras this time. Hey y'all. Today is my 50th birthday and Chadia Bond challenged me to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. So, here we go. Oh my god. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay. I can't even breathe. Oh my god. Okay, I'm challenging Jamie Asmus, Andy Kearney, Jill Kelly Henry, Terry Cordell, Amy Zink, and Heather Stafford. I want to see your videos really soon. You got 24 hours. Bye. Oh my god. My breath away. I should have said their name before.
How do you stop this?